Was it you whose stuff was sad? Things would happen, not to me. All the things are gonna happen naturally. Oh, taking your advice, and I'm looking on the bright side and balancing the whole thing. Oh, put it all things down, those words that get tangled up in the lights, and the bright light turns to night. Oh, until the joy that brings a little bird to sing without the magic that was you and me. 'Cause you and I both love. 'Cause you and I spoke up. And that was just enough. I was only enough love. And love that I love, yeah. Ba-da-da-bum. See, I'm all about them words of a number, signing comfort, don't get worse. Hundreds of pages, pages, pages forward. No words that I ever heard, and I feel so alive. 'Cause you and I both love now. 'Cause you and I spoke out. And that was just waking up, as you can see me now, to have almost finally had love. Finally had love. Finally did it. But I'm almost finally, where I am free, free, free. But it's okay if you have to go away. Oh, just remember the telephone, it goes in both ways. But if I never have to hear that rain, if nothing else, I feel the fire set and finally found my love, that's okay. 'Cause I remember everything you say. 'Cause you and I both love now. 'Cause you and I spoke out. That was just waking up, and you can see me now, to have almost finally had love. Finally had love. Finally did. But I'm almost finally, where I am free.